Mastering already in the past perfect tense. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of English grammar. We're going to learn how to use the time expression already in the past perfect tense. This is a key component of the language that can really enhance your communication skills, whether you're speaking or writing. Before we start, let's quickly recap the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe something that happened before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. For example, he had already left when she arrived. Here, the action of him leaving took place before her arrival. We used had left, which is in the past perfect tense, to indicate this. Now, let's focus on the word already. Already is an adverb that we use to say that something happened sooner than expected. When using the past perfect tense, we often use already to show that an action had occurred before another past action or time. Generally, already is placed between the auxiliary verb had and the past participle. Here's an example. They had already finished the project before the deadline. In this sentence, the project was finished before the deadline, which is sooner than we might have expected. It's crucial to use already correctly in your sentences. Remember, it usually goes between had and the past participle, but it can also go at the end of the sentence in informal English. For instance, I had already eaten, or I had eaten already. Both sentences are correct, but the first one is more formal. Now that we've learned how to use already with the past perfect tense, let's put it into practice. Try to form your own sentences using already in the past perfect tense. Here are a couple of examples to get you started. 1. She had already departed when I reached the station. 2. They had already seen the movie, so they didn't want to go. Well, there you have it. You've learned how to use the time expression already in the past perfect tense. It's a fantastic tool to show that something happened before another action or a specific time in the past. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use already in your own sentences. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see improvement. See you in our next video. Happy learning!